Okay, guys, so how many times have you ever... Difficult.
No,
Okay, let's try again.
let go. You let go. Sit
Yep.
down. Don't start. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, how many times have you heard the phrase, never judge a book by its cover? Never actually use image to... Yeah, it's still going. Never use image to judge something. But if you walk into a bookstore, if you walk into a film store, if you walk in to buy a game, what's the first thing we do? We look for familiarity. We look for what we're used to. We look for what we like seeing. And in relationships, this is the same. And very simply, this is human nature. The reason for this is simple. The reason things are familiar is they survived. Traits appear more and more in humans solely because they're linked to survival. So hence, when we see someone that we like, all we're saying is, this person is more likely to survive. We are more likely to have offspring with them. We are more likely to keep going. And even a more simpler thing, have you ever noticed how guys go after people that remind them of their mothers? Or girls, even though people claim they have daddy issues, go after people who remind them of their fathers? The reason for this is that's what they see most throughout their life. That is the stable, that is the norm, that is what works. Older people with older parents will go for older partners because they know they're more viable. They know they can have children later, so they can have a more stable actual idea of life. Same with younger. People who tend to be from poorer countries, marry younger, tend to go for younger people because they're not likely to survive that long, so they need as many offspring as possible. Through this, we've survived a couple of million years and continue to do so. And yet still, as time goes on, we develop more and more traits. For instance, recently, in the last 1,000 years, it's been starting to seen that people will go for colors. So people are more likely to go for people wearing red than blue, solely because red has been shown to depict passion. And this actually came from poetry in the 1800s. This is not an actual physical trait, but this is how our minds see things. And as time expands, we'll have more and more traits, but all of these is quite simple. It's always evolution. There is no such thing as actually being shallow. All it is our brains telling us what is the most likely way to survive. Thank you.